Okay, we got the new part. Okay, here's the new part. You can see the teeth in there. Very good. See the old part? You see how bad the teeth were? Chewed down. New part. So now on this old part it has a little plastic something there. You got to pick this out and put it inside here. Okay, this is out. Want to be careful because you don't want to break it. This is plastic. Everything today is designed to be broken. Now, it's inside the new part. Clear the solar. Now take this to the washer.
Okay, the reverse is the same as taking it out. I'm going to put it together. What I just put on top of that output shaft, that's the input shaft, was the viscous coupling. Now, this part is known to go bad often if you have uneven tires. It will be known by when you're turning the wheels sharply to the right, you will get some type of wheel skipping and hesitate. So this is how you change that if you were to change that. So now, you see here, you put the first washer in, and what you're going to want to do is take the sprockets and put them on top of the chain. You put the sprockets on the chain. Then it'll be easier to put it in its proper position. Okay, after you get that sprocket down on the right side there, then put the sun gear sprocket in. Make sure it drops all the way down. Then put the other washer in. Now you have the planetary here, and you want to set that on top. Then the final washer. And I'm not sure if this can go either way, but you want to put it back on the same way that it came off. All you're going to do, you're going to go around the edges of the case with silicone. Now, you first wipe it, make sure it's clean. I put a little brake cleaner on the rag. Brake cleaner will cut the grease, and it dries quickly. And then what I do is use silicone. I use a Permatex silicone. Now, not all silicone is the same. There's some silicone, when it dries, it's more rubbery. It just doesn't seem to bond or adhere to the metal like it should. This silicone is Permatex, but it's called adhesive sealant, and it sticks very well. Very well. Make sure you go around the edges, around the holes. Again, not all silicone is the same. There's some silicone you would use that after a while it would leak. Okay. But this here, the Permatex adhesive sealant, seems to be very well, or very good. Okay, once you go around the bottom there with the silicone, and you want to go on top of the cover with the top cover. You may want to clean it off first. I don't think I've cleaned it yet. Alright, so now that you have the halves mated together, then you put the bolts inside the case. Then once you get the bolts inside the case, you tighten them up.
And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time. Golden out, Father, prepare as we will. Watch the flames burn all along the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. I see fire hollow soul. I see fire burning the breeze. I hope that you remember me. Close to the flame, golden out, Father, hold fast and we will watch the flames burn all along the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. I see fire.
Alright, now it's time to put the last components in. Which is the part where the drive shaft connects to. And once you get this in and put the nut on, then you won't have an issue here. Let me see. There's a washer, like a rubber piece, that's stuck on here. You have to take that off first. It gets stuck on as you pull that part that the drive shaft sticks on. You have to push that down, put the washer on, and then put the nut on top. Okay, there was the washer that goes on top of the rubber washer, and then you got the nut, and then you screw that down, and then you're finished with this transfer case. This was something that wasn't so hard. Very easy fix. Very easy and not too complicated. Okay, once again, this is how you fix the input shaft that has been stripped out in the transfer case. Um, by the output shaft of the transmission.